Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to buy goods from the same store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to buy goods from same store on 1688. Very easy tutorial. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, just like so. So after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to source one item from the many sellers on the 1688 shopping app. Okay, so there are so many ways to source one item on 1688. One of the first way is to click on here to look for manufacturer. If you are looking for factory direct, simply click on here. So when you click on that, then it takes you to all available manufacturer on the app that you can simply connect with. From here, you can make your purchase direct from China without any stress. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon right here. So this camera icon here allows you to upload a picture sample of the product. Then you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can go back to the home page and begin to scroll down. The more you scroll down here, the more the item is going to load up from different supplier, as the case may be. Or better still, you can make use of search engine right here. What you do here is to simply type the keyword of the item you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result, just like so. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use a particular store right here as an example. Then you'll be able to see how to place order from the same store on 1688 and make payments without any stress to the supplier. So right here, this particular store right here, this cartoon store here, I'm going to use it as an example. This cartoon store. So I'm going to click on the store link. So it's going to open up just like so. Once the item sales page is load up, next thing we can do here is to simply scroll down. You can see there are so many products in the store right here. So we can just swipe and see more. Okay, so you can simply scroll down and see the graphic detail of the product, just like so. So the more you scroll down, the more you see the product picture. So this depends on the number of pictures that the supplier upload on their sales page. After you are able to satisfy with the supplier sales page, next thing you need to do is to see how we can add an item to cart from the same store. So the first thing we want to do is to simply click on here to add the first item to cart. So it's going to open up this page. So right here, I need 40 pieces of each of these particular products right here. So I'm going to select the first one right here. Then I will come here and type in 40 pieces. I'm going to click on here. Then I'll enter 40. Then I have to make sure I click on here to add it successfully, just like so. I will move to the next one. I'll click on here and I'll type in 40. I'll click on here to add. Then I'll move to the third one. I'll click on here. Then I will type in 40. Click on that, just like so. Finally, I will click on here to add everything to cart. Just like so. After a successful add them to cart, next thing I can do here is to go back to the supplier store right here and then look for another item I want to purchase from them, just like so. I'm going to check out this particular one right here. So I'm going to click on it straight up, just like so. So after open up to this particular page, next thing I can do here is to simply click on here to add it to cart. So it's going to open up to this particular page. Okay. So I need this particular design here. I need 30 pieces. Next thing I'm going to do is to come here and type in 30. Then 30. Then click on that to add. I need another design. So I have to swipe this way. I need this design also. I need 30. Then I'm going to click on here to add. I need another design. I need this one right here, 30. Then click on this. I need the design, 30. And click on that, just like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. So items successfully added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to my cart. So we have everything right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here, proceed to checkout. So all the item is going to be select, just like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Just like so. So I'm paying the sum of 22.94 yuan. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to close this pop-up. Now go back to my profile, just like so. For me to access my profile, I have to continue go back. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the goods we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have everything right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to buy goods from same store on 1688, a very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.